So this is a fan, I think. I don't know for sure. What? Wait, what? What? She said OMG. What? Okay. I am recording this. No. No. Wait, no. Stop. No. I have a fan here. Because you are so nice. I think, well, at least I think. I need to ask her questions. Can I ask a question? What's she gonna reply? Okay, what is my profile picture on YT? No! What is my profile picture on YT? Is this a real fan, guys? I think it is, but just to make sure, because in the party I'm hosting a party, and in the description I put hello, come join my housewarming, fans of Marshmeowo. What animal is it? It's not a letter. Guys, this is a it's a animal, it's a fake. She's a fake. You fake. You're faking. This hurts me. I'm so sorry, Molly. It's an Australian Shepherd. Yeah. Why does this keep happening? And Aussie. You're not a fan. You're not a fan. Wait. That's bad. Oh, okay. What was my first video? It's okay. Oh, now I feel bad. I feel bad. What was my first video? Okay, think. Well, I kind of forgot too. What was my first video? Ow, my arm. You being sus, okay? If being where's she going? Follow her, fans. I am sorry. I just get lied to a lot at school. Whenever I used to go to school, everybody lied. They lied. They pretended like they're my friend, but they just really used me. It's so messed up. You can go if you want to. You can go. Yeah. See? You don't watch. At Marshmeowo. At Marshmeowo. You lied like everybody else. Because everybody wants to use me. Like my Nintendo Switch. And then now it's cracked. You said it. Yours. I just want to know if you're the real one. Real what? This girl's a lie. This girl, I don't know what to say, guys. I don't know if to say should I believe her or not. Guys, help me out. Watchers. Watchers. I don't know what to do. You know, I feel so bad. Don't know what to say. I don't want to hurt feelings. Feelings. I don't want to hurt your feelings. So I am asking my watch what to do. What to do. I feel really bad for this girl. Guys, I feel bad. Is she right there? Is he right there? Because she seems nice. Because she seems nice. And wait, why am I even saying this right here? Wait, because I don't know if this is on audio. Yeah, I think it is on audio. But I feel bad because she's nice. Oh, that poor thing. It just fell. Because everybody lies to me so much. Well, not everybody, but some people lie. They lie. And you know you can't trust anybody on the internet. So I didn't know what to do. I feel bad. Wait, let's see. Well, wait a minute, but like she says, but like I don't really think so, cause you know what? If you're going to be mean, I'm gonna unsubscribe and leave your. Wait, what? Feelings. I don't know. I don't want to hurt. I don't want to hurt your feelings. How was I mean? Wait, was I mean? Cause she seems nice. She does seem nice. Ooh, a hot air balloon? So I didn't know what to do really. So what should I do? Wait, I want to see something. I wonder if she went like exactly. Cause she said, I asked her what was my profile picture, and she said it. She said an A. She said an A. And she just said an A because she looked at my user, and my user's Audrina the Aries. And then she said a cow after I said it's an animal. So I don't even know. Imagine she just goes on my videos and says, mean things. Okay. Let's just watch here. Let's just watch. I'm just kidding. I don't know what to say. I'm gonna be honest, and I don't believe her at all. I don't believe that she's a follower. And if the subscribers change, then if the subscribers amount changes, then I'll probably do a video about that. But I don't know what to say. So thanks for watching. I'll try to allow comments on this one. Thanks for watching. Bye.